Hello everyone. Today we are looking not amazing because we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in a really long time and I'm going to take pictures today. And I also have this thing on my face and I had to put ointment on it. I think I posted about it because this thing was like 10 times worse and I didn't want anyone to see my face. But I got a haircut. I got curtain bangs. You know the trend, curtain bangs, like bangs and they like swoosh back. I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how I style them, and then I'll show you my makeup and then most importantly the outfit. So today I'm going to be using this. I think I've used this in videos before, but it's like a Revlon, like a hair dryer, and it kind of gives a blowout look. Before I go into it and like get focused, I'll show you what I'm going to do with my bangs. It's pretty self-explanatory. I just get it all together and then I'd start curling it back like that. And then once it gets to the bottom, I just let it go and it'll, and then I'm just gonna kind of, you know, do this with the rest of the pieces, give it a little curl at the bottom, and then it'll all be like fluffy. I'm gonna separate my hair and put one side up so I could focus on one side because I'm a perfectionist. I'm trying to like make it fluff out. Not having much luck and my hair kind of smells like chicken. So this is what we have so far. I want them to flow back, like I want them to swoosh. So I'm gonna try with my straightener. I saw this on TikTok, so I'm gonna attempt. Go like this, and I go like this. Sorry. Oh no, I made a dent. Let's try again, shall we? What did I just do? What did I just do? Let's do it to the other side, I guess. I just did it again. You do these things, and then you realize that you do them. I guess we're done with my hair. The only somewhat okay swoosh is like this. Like it kind of swooshes a little bit. Also, my hair feels so greasy, even though I just washed it last night. While it's taming, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip it to the back of my hair so that they kind of learn to stay there. Does that make sense? I have changed up my makeup a little bit since the last time I did a makeup routine. Yeah, I'm gonna use Pond's moisturizer. Also, this thing on my face, it's gotten a lot better, knock on wood. Started as like a pimple. It was really weird, and then it started to form into like, it kind of looked like herpes, and I was like, why do I have herpes on my face? But it wasn't herpes, so that's good. I just jump right into my mascara because that's the part that makes me the most anxious because I want it to be perfect. I use the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara and I curl my eyelashes before too. If you watch my other like get ready with me videos or just like makeup videos in general, you probably know all of this already. I like to go from a bottom angle. My first eye is done and now I'm gonna move on to the second one. I'm just gonna curl and do the same thing. I was on TikTok and I saw that Sienna Mae Gomez made this TikTok about how like people get canceled so easily and so fast and then their whole career is like ruined. This is kind of random and I kind of want to do a whole other video on this like topic, but I used to be so like infatuated with the idea of becoming famous and becoming like a famous TikToker and all that. I see all these people getting canceled for like little things, like if it's a bigger thing, like if it involves, you know, racism, then obviously that's kind of a different story. But people get canceled for like the tiniest things, like, and then their career is just completely over. Like they don't even have a chance to explain themselves. They don't even have a chance to like change or learn or anything. Sienna was talking about how terrible that is because then it teaches the younger generation to like be mean to others and just like not be friends with someone because of one mistake they made. Basically, people can't make mistakes anymore, and it's just really like odd because that's how we grow up. Like, we learn from mistakes, we grow from mistakes. Yeah, I used to be so into like, oh my god, I want to be famous, I want to be like a famous creator or whatever, which I still like would love to do. Like, I'd love to, I don't know, I just really like this whole idea, like social media. Now when I really think about it, I get like really scared. Like, if I word something off, I don't know, I'm just one to like not completely think before I speak, which isn't a good thing. I'm afraid that it's just gonna like kick me in the butt and I'm gonna like get canceled right away. It's not that easy to just like defend yourself, and I'm the type of person where I hate when people are mad at me because I kind of just want to be friends with everyone. So I just know that it wouldn't work for me and I wouldn't want anyone to hate me, but obviously there's gonna be haters out there. I honestly don't know how big creators do it. Like, literally Vinny Hacker gets attacked when he like hangs out with a friend, like a girl that's a friend. I honestly feel so bad for him because he can't live. That's my point of view on it, and I feel like I can say this stuff because no one really knows who I am, so I'm not gonna be like on TikTok room for saying this. Okay, so my eyelashes are done. I feel like this eye is longer than this eye, and I hate when that happens. I'm gonna get a Q-tip and I'm going to get off the excess mascara. First, I'm just gonna apply a little Glossier lip balm because my lips are feeling chapped. God, this eye is so much bigger than this eye. You see what I'm talking about? Like, look at that difference. Now that my uneven mascara is done, I am gonna move on to, I'll do eyeliner now because I love my eyeliner. So I used to be really into using this like burgundy eyeliner on my waterline, but now I've kind of gone back to, you know, the just plain black or gray. I'm gonna be using this Chanel pencil eyeliner. It's the shade 35. Number 35. I put it on my waterline. Why? But I feel like my eyes look so much better when I have on eyeliner. It kind of just like finishes off the look. I don't know how I'm so calm while doing this because I feel like I'm the most like paranoid, anxious person ever. And something like this, you can't even see, being so close to my eyeball should scare me, but it like doesn't at all. I guess I've been doing this since like 7th grade. I think I started doing it in 7th grade because Bethany Moda did it. I normally don't do it in the summertime because I like a more natural look in the summer, and I feel like this really pops. A really weird way of doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna start off by trimming them down because I have thick eyebrows and they're kind of all over the place. So I just comb them up. Whoa! I also haven't gotten my eyebrows done since the pandemic started. So it's almost been a year, and then I just trim them. So I just use Aquaphor, like a little tube Aquaphor thing. I push all the Aquaphor up. I get a little comb spoolie thing. It's so old. I've had this for like 10 years. And then I just comb through. I was kind of into the soap brow thing for a while, but then I lost the soap that I was using. I have no idea where it went, but it gave such a cool effect. But I feel like you can kind of do that with the Aquaphor too. I feel like doing this kind of makes them look a little bit more full. Not exactly sure why, but it definitely does. They literally look the same. I'm gonna do a little plucking because my eyebrows are crazy. I look like a really terrified person when I do it, so I'm gonna come back. It's too impatient to pluck, so I just use one of these like disposable razor things, and I kind of just like go along my eyebrows and then like in the middle, and then I do like around here too. I'm gonna do my favorite part of my makeup routine, one of my favorite parts, my blush. I used to use this e.l.f. stick thing, but I feel like it just looked too much. Like it had sparkles in it, and I was wearing highlighter at the same time. It was just like overwhelming. So now I use this Maybelline Cheek Heat. I don't know what even that means. Just put it on the sides of my face. I know I probably do not do this right. And yes, oh my god, yes, you can come attack me for it. Okay, that's good enough for the blush. Sorry if I put too much on, I don't know what I'm doing. Now, another one of my favorite parts is highlighter. I love sparkles. Sorry you've been staring at this the whole time. It's really gross. Get the white and the goldish, and I put it on my cheekbones. Are these my cheekbones? I think. Kind of go up like so. I love putting it on my nose. And now I'm putting it in my inner corners. It really makes my eyes pop. Because I have poop eyes in here, but then I also like bring it on the lid of my eye. That's my makeup. Oh, I forgot lipstick. My lips, I'll probably just put on some like Dior lip gloss in Glossier lip balm. I don't even know. I keep it really simple. But since I'm coming to show out today, I'm gonna put on some fun stuff. I just grabbed these random things out of my makeup container that I just throw all random makeup in. I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it's gonna work. It might be too much. I can take it off, it's fine. So I'm gonna use this Lancome crayon. It's a lip liner. So. Oh, I forgot I have a sharpener and my garage door is opening. I think I'm gonna get a paper cut on my lips. Okay, so I attempted to line my lips. I don't know what I just did. I don't know if you see a difference, but that was fun. It made me feel like a real beauty guru. Also, I'm using this MAC Velvet Teddy lip stick because I've had this, hold on. I've had this lipstick since I was doing YouTube forever ago. I'm gonna use the Stila liquid lipstick. Oh, that's fun. I'm gonna kinda, ooh. Now my makeup is done. My little friend here is ruining the vibe, but it's okay. Hello everyone, now we're closer and the lighting's bad and this lipstick is too much, but now we're gonna figure out an outfit. You can tell by the background, I'm a little stuck of what to wear. I have this outfit. I think I'm gonna wear this. I have this top, these jeans, and then these shoes. I really just look like a butterfly, but I'm gonna take out these thingies and see if it worked. Oh, that looks cute. Hold on. Very, very, very low-key worked. This side looks really nice. This is like what I want. And then this side is like, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. It's fine. I'm all ready now. Yeah. So I put my earrings in. They're just the basic gold hoops that I always wear. By the way, this top is from Forever 21. I got it at Plato's Closet, but it's originally from Forever 21. And these jeans, we've gone through this many times in my videos. I have no idea where these jeans are from. They're my grandma's. These white shoes are from Walmart. They're like 15 bucks and they're kind of like knockoff Air Forces, but they're really comfortable. They have like memory foam. And this necklace I always wear is from Shein. These are from Shein too, by the way. I also have to bring my film camera because I have to do a project for my class. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and always be commenting video requests. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.